See, the topic is length of plane curves. The finding the length of plane curves is called rectification. To find the area of the plane regions is called quadrature. Finding the length of the arcs of the curve is called rectification. I explained already the formula and also solved problems on Cartesian and parametric form. One more problem in parametric form is show that, take this, the length of the curve x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is a sin cube theta, is length of the curve is 6a. See here, parametric form is given. If we convert the same parametric to Cartesian form, how to convert parametric to Cartesian form? I take x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3. I eliminate theta like this. What is x raised to 2 by 3? A raised to 2 by 3 cos square theta, because raised to 2 by 3, plus a raised to 2 by 3 sin cube theta raised to 2 by 3 is sin square theta. So it is a raised to 2 by 3. So x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 is a raised to 2 by 3. And you know that it is a well-known curve. It is very important application is there of this curve. It is called asteroid. It is called asteroid. Suppose Cartesian form is asked. When the Cartesian form of the equation is given, find the length of the curve, complete length of the curve, x raised to 2 by 3, y raised to 2 by 3, a raised to 2 by 3, it is asteroid. Then you have to apply formula for length of the Cartesian curves. What is the formula? A to be root 1 plus dy by dx whole square. But now parametric form is asked. But curve is same here. What is that curve? The curve is asteroid, and the shape of the curve is like this. Shape of the curve is, so it is symmetric about both the axes. It is symmetric about both the axes. X axis, y axis, and the maximum value of x is a, y is also a. Curve doesn't exceed these lines, x is a, y is a. That means curve lies entirely with this region. X is a, y is a. This is the region. And for one arc of the curve it is like this. And by symmetry the asteroid is like this, given asteroid. So you go through again the curve tracing. In that topic you will get in detail how this was traced. This was traced. Therefore that topic curve tracing is very important. You should know the curve first. This is the asteroid. Cartesian equation is also there, parametric equation is also there. But we solve using parametric equation. Cartesian equation also you can use. Find the length of the asteroid. Now what are the parameter of this point? Parameter of this point is theta is equal to pi by 2. Because when theta is pi by 2, or is it theta is 0 here? Theta is 0. Because theta is 0, x is a, y is 0. Theta is 0. What is the parameter corresponding to this point? Parameter theta is equal to pi by 2. Theta is pi by 2. Therefore, for one arc or one portion of the curve in the first quadrant, the portion of the asteroid in the first quadrant, theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, length of the asteroid is, length of the curve, total length is, it is 4 times length of the curve in the first quadrant. Or it is, I take A, B, this is O. Therefore length of the arc AB, 4 into arc AB. For this arc AB, theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. What is the formula? Root dx by d theta square plus dy by d theta square with respect to theta. This is the formula for parametric curves. Dx by d theta square plus dy by d theta square under root limit is 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, for 0 to pi by 2, what is dx by d theta? This is x. Dx by d theta is 3a cos square theta minus sin theta whole square plus what is dy by d theta? 3a sin square theta cos theta whole square with respect to theta. Therefore, 4 into 0 to pi by 2. Now only evaluation of the definite integral. Therefore, the limits important. For that you should know the shape of the curve. Then next thing is formula, because for quadrature to find the area for different only polar curves is there, area for in your syllabus polar curves, but for this rectification length of the curves all the three forms are there: Cartesian, parametric, polar. This is parametric and it is the formula. Therefore, it is 3a whole square. I take 3a common and sin theta cos theta common. Sin theta cos theta common. And what is this? Square root of what do you get? Sin theta cos theta we have taken common. So, is it cos square theta plus sin square theta with respect to theta? Correct? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. 3a sin theta cos theta, because I think simplification there is no problem. All of you followed this one. How I have simplified here? 3a whole square is 3a. Sin square theta cos square theta I have taken the common. Sin square theta cos square theta means under root is sin theta cos theta. Here one cos square theta remains, sin square theta remains under root. Therefore, 12a 0 to pi by 2 sin theta cos theta with respect to theta. So I write this as 12a 0 to pi by 2 sin 2 theta upon 2 with respect to theta. Sin 2 theta upon 2. Sin 2 theta upon 2. Because we know the formula for sin 2 theta. 6a 0 to pi by 2 sin 2 theta is minus cos 2 theta upon 2 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, 4 is multiplied, no? 3a 12. It is minus 3a into cos pi minus cos 0. Minus 3a into minus 1, so 6a. So what is the entire length of the asteroid? Entire length of the asteroid is equal to 6a. Now the question, because the pattern for this year is, it is only MCQ, that is multiple choice question. Then how this question can be converted into multiple choice? What is the length of the complete length of the asteroid? Parametric form or Cartesian form may be given. What is the length of the asteroid? X raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 is a raised to 2 by 3. What is the length? 6a. Then if you know or if you derive this, then only you can write 6a. Otherwise, if choice is given, is it possible to remember all the results? You try this, but you can remember when you know the solution. When you know the derivation, the problem, solution, then only you can remember the answer. Next, find the perimeter of the curve. Find the perimeter of the curve r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Perimeter of the curve r is a into 1 minus cos theta. And what is this curve? Anybody? I explained already, this is the standard curve and four types of this curve are there. What is that? Cardioid. Cycloid there are four types. Cardioid there are four types. And this is second one. R is A into 1 minus cos theta. What is the shape of the curve? I take initial line. Theta is pi by 2. This is theta is equal to pi, this line. Now, yes, it is theta is pi by 2. Now the cardioid is like this. Shape of the cardioid is like this. Go through this. I have already explained in curve tracing explained, and also while applying these areas, that is quadrature, while finding the area of plane regions also we came across this curve. So I directly take this curve. R is A into 1 minus cos theta, and what is this line? Theta is 0. This line is theta is equal to pi, and the curve is symmetric about the initial line. So we require this line. Curve is symmetric. Since the cardioid is symmetric about, cardioid R is equal to A into 1 minus cos theta, is symmetric about the initial line. It is symmetric about the initial line. Perimeter of the cardioid is, perimeter is equal to 2 into, I take this as O, A, B, 2 into arc OAB or length OAB, 2 into OAB. Now for this 2 into arc OAB, what are the values of theta here? 0 and pi. What is the formula? Square root of, it is polar form. What is the polar form formula? R square plus dr by d theta whole square. R square plus dr by d theta whole square. Therefore, you have to remember, formula is very important. Rectification. Length of the curve is for a polar curve. R square plus dr by d theta whole square under root. Limits, you have to take proper limits. 0 to pi here. So, 2 into 0 to pi R square, square root of R is A square into 1 minus cos theta whole square plus what is dr by d theta? A sin theta. A sin theta whole square with respect to theta. Followed substitution. R is taken here, A is A into 1 minus cos theta its square, and dr by d theta is A sin theta its square. 2 into 0 to pi square root of A square 1 plus, or I take 1 minus, simplify this, 2 cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta with respect to theta. And next thing is only evaluation of the limit. First important thing is you should know the curve here. If you know the curve, then only you can have this idea. Perimeter is 2 into this length, and for the upper half of the curve, theta varies from 0 to pi. That gives the limits of integration. Next thing is only evaluation of the definite integral. It is therefore 2a 0 to pi square root of 2 minus 2 cos theta, because cos square plus sin square is 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. It is 2a 0 to pi square root of 2 into 1 minus cos theta with respect to theta. 2a 0 to pi square root of 2 into 2 sin square theta by 2. I think you followed here the elementary trigonometric results. 1 minus cos is 2 sin square. 1 plus cos is 2 cos square. Therefore, it is 4a 0 to pi sin square under root is sin theta by 2 with respect to theta. Therefore, 4a, what is sin theta by 2 integration? Minus cos theta by 2 from 0 to pi. Therefore, 4a or minus 4a cos pi by 2 minus cos 0. What is the value? Two into, is it 2 into 1 minute, go through this, r square dr by d theta whole square, a square 1 minus cos square theta, a square 1 minus 2 cos theta formula 2 into 0 to pi r square dr by d theta whole square. How to simplify this? R square dr by d theta whole square. What is dr by d theta? Yes, dr by d theta is a square sin square theta by 2. 4a square. Therefore, 4a 0 to pi sin theta by 2. Oh, integration. See, I had gone wrong here. Sorry. What is the integration of sin theta by 2? Minus cos theta by 2 divided by half. So it is minus 8a into this. See, one small mistake, how much it makes difference here. Cos theta, sin theta by 2 is sin ax form. What is the integration? Minus cos ax upon a. I left this one. Make this correction. Half. So minus 8a into cos pi by 2 is 0. Cos 0 is 1. So plus 8a. Again, it is a standard form. Standard problem. Therefore, the perimeter of the cardioid is 80. Remaining 4 cardioids, 3 cardioids, r is a into 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus sin theta, r is a into 1 minus sin theta. For all the 4 cardioids, the perimeter is same. What is the perimeter? 80. If possible, you remember, because from examination point of view, that is also for your new pattern of exam, MCQ. If you remember, you can easily write. If you have to work out and write the answer, means it takes more time. How to remember this? The length of the complete curve of the cardioid is 8a, and the length of the astroid is 6a, and the length of the cycloid is also 80. Cycloid cardioid same 80. Astroid is 6a. Now these are some problems, and next remaining cardioids, you try this, answer will be same. Example is, find the entire length of the cardioid. R is a into 1 plus cos theta. If you want, you take this. Find the entire length of the cardioid. R is a into 1 plus cos theta. Answer is 8a. Next is, find the perimeter of the curve R is equal to a cos theta. See, the problem is interesting, because here the curve, the name of the curve is not given, but you have studied this curve and you are familiar with this. R is equal to a cos theta represent a circle. Suppose the question is, what is the perimeter of the circle? X square plus y square is a square. Then it is a primary school question. It is primary school standard question, because x square plus y square is a square represent a circle whose radius is a. Therefore, what is the perimeter? 2 pi a. That is the perimeter. But you don't know the equation in the Cartesian form here. R is equal to a cos theta represent a circle, and you should know what type of circle it is. What is the radius of that circle? For that, you have to trace the curve. I take, this is the initial line as positive x-axis, origin as pole. Then when theta is 0, what do you get? R is equal to a. And dr by d theta. What is dr by d theta? Minus a sin theta. So dr by d theta minus means R decreases. R decreases from 0 to decreases from a to 0 when theta increases theta increases from 0 to pi by 2. This is very important clue to trace the curve here. What is maximum value of R here? E, because theta is 0, cos theta is maximum, that is 1, R is E. And curve is symmetric about the initial line, because if you change theta to minus theta, it remains same. Now I take theta increases means points, theta increases means lines are like this, increases, theta is 0, pi by 2 this, and value of R goes on decreasing from A to 0. Therefore, because of symmetry, this is the circle. And what is this length? A. What is this length? It is A. So diameter is A here, not radius. That is important. Diameter is A. If the diameter is A, what is the perimeter? Perimeter is, radius becomes A by 2. So perimeter is pi into A, not 2 pi A here. Pi into A. Therefore question important here. If the question is asked for MCQ, if you know the shape of the curve, that is circle, here you can write the answer. But it is a descriptive type question, then you have to solve this. First I have explained shape of the circle here. What is that? Center important, it lies on x-axis, positive x-axis, that is taken as initial line, and radius is A by 2. Now how do you apply the formula here? Perimeter is 2 into 2 arc OA. Therefore it is 2 into theta varies from 0 to pi by 2 square root of r square plus dr by d theta whole square with respect to theta. Therefore 2 into 0 to pi by 2 square root of r square a square cos square theta plus what is dr by d theta minus a sin theta whole square with respect to theta. So 2a 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is d theta. Cos square plus sin square is 1. A square into 1. Root a square into 1 is root a square is a d theta. 2a theta from 0 to pi by 2. 2a pi by 2 minus 0. So pi into a. So what is the length of the curve here? Length of the curve is pi into a. Question important. Next, while finding area of the curves, in your syllabus, area of the curve is only for polar curves here, because Cartesian curves you have studied in lower classes, in PUC classes, therefore that topic is not there. While doing that one, I left one or two standard problems here. I explain now. Area. Find the area of a loop of the curve. A loop of the curve. Loop of the curve. R is equal to a sin 3 theta. First one. Second, R is a cos 2 theta. Third one, R is a sin 2 theta. This is called three-leaved rows. Three-leaved rows. I explain why it is called three-leaved rows, because there are three branches here. And R is a cos theta, it is four-leaved rows. Four-leaved rows. And it is again four-leaved rows. See the curve R is a cos n theta or R is a sin n theta has n number of loops, equal loops, if n is odd. Remember, very important. And 2n number of loops if n is even. Therefore, these two have 4 loops. This has only 1 loop. Now, I consider area here 1 loop. For that, this is suppose What is this? Initial line. If possible, I explain the shape of the curve now. Then I explain area in the next period. If time doesn't permit, I take the area in the next period. But see the shape of the curve here. It is OA initial line. Now take first one. I take R is 0. R is 0 gives sin 3 theta is 0. Therefore 3 theta is 0 or pi. Or I take 3 theta is n pi. So theta is n pi by 3. So what is theta? Pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. We require only in between 0 and 2 pi. Therefore we take pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. Now what are these? When R is 0 means some real values of theta. If R is 0 gives some real values of theta, then they are tangent lines at the pole. What is this? Pi by 3. Theta is pi by 3. This is theta pi by 2. This is theta 2 pi by 3. Theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. Now, what are the values of theta? We have to find out. When theta is 0, R is 0. Theta is 0, so R is it 0? Yes, 0. Theta is 0, R is 0. Pole it is. Next, when theta increases, R increases here. Theta increases, R increases. Because R is a sin 3 theta. Sin increases from 0 to pi by 2. When theta increases, R increases. But when theta is pi by 3, theta is pi by 3, R becomes 0. So the curve lies within these two. One loop of the curve lies within this. And it is like this. One loop of the curve is like this. And what is the maximum value? Maximum value will be when theta is equal to pi by 3 is 0, sin 3 theta is 1 means 3 theta is pi by 2, pi by 3 theta is pi by 2 means when theta is pi by 6, this is the line theta is equal to pi by 6, this R will be maximum. What is that? A is. This is it, R is it, this length is it. Now what is the symmetry here? I take this one. What is this? R is pi by 6, this line. And in this region, curve doesn't exist here. Pi by 3 or exists, but this is one loop. I think all of you followed how this one loop is obtained. First I have taken tangent here. Tangent at the origin, that is pole. Theta is pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. When R increases, theta also increases. When theta is pi by 6, when theta increases, R also increases. When theta pi by 6, R becomes A. Again it starts to decrease. When theta is pi, R is 0. This is one branch. Second branch is like this, because it is symmetric about theta is equal to pi by 2. So second branch is like this. This is one more curve. And third branch is, that is, because it is three road leaves, it is 3 loops, they are equal. This is the curve. R is equal to A sin 3 theta. You study this curve, go through once again, you plot some more points, then you will get this curve. It is R is A sin 3 theta. I find the area, I explain how to find the area in the next video. Okay, thank you.